So now let's go first with installation, of course. So installation here, you need to have this command. So let's go in the very bottom and let's find the command here. Yes, this one. So if your computer has already PHP and Composer installed, then you may create a new Laravel project by using Composer directly. After the application has been created, you may start Laravel local development server using the Artisan CLI serve command. Okay, so first you have to run this piece of console command. So I will show you cmd. So maybe better we will write command bash. Type it bash, get bash rather. So this get bash, you will be able to cd, let's say d, and you have to run this ls. So for this example, I will be entering to this folder called Artisan. And let's create in another folder called tutorial. Let's say tutorial. Okay, hit enter. So type ls. So we should have this tutorial now. So let's say we are now inside the tutorial folder, inside Artisan folder. So now let's run this. Let's copy this console command. Just right click, paste, hit enter. So that should install everything, especially for Laravel application. So that will install it, everything, and all the requirements there should be installed. And then all we have to do is just run this. Go inside the folder like what we just created, the example, the example app. So let's say cd example application, and then our CLI will point this folder inside to this folder, and let's say run the PHP Artisan serve, and then that should create a Laravel server itself, where we can run or debug or execute our code, or we can see the output. So as you can see, it's now running and installing everything. And let's pause this video and go back after installation. So now I resume this tutorial, and we're able to finish the installation. So as we expected, we will have now the folder called example-app, this one. So let's cd example-app. So we should now be inside this folder, example-app. So let's say ls, we should be able to see several files here. So let's say let's run the PHP Artisan serve, hit enter, and now we are now serving. So let's say Let's test this and copy and okay. Let's say just we're in the other desktop. Place the URL, okay, and hit enter. So we should now be able to see the latest created page for the Laravel application. So we can see the Laracast here, the documentation, Laravel news, vibrant ecosystem. Okay, so like for example, um, we need to modify this um, welcome page. Okay, so the landing page, we need to modify. So first, we need to open an editor. Okay, so let's say we will use Sublime Text. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, let's open a Sublime Text and let's say open folder and this example folder. Let's open this example folder, and we have now this bunch of files. These are from the Laravel source or source code. So our goal is to change this view, like update this view to see if we have really an access to this landing page. So let's go to resources, views, and welcome. Everything is here. So everything is here. So let's go all the way down and look of the text that we can update. Okay, let's say we will update this Laravel title. Okay, so you can say Laravel title there. For example, this Laravel title updated. Okay, so let's reload F5. So as you can see, we will be having the new text here. So let's say update test documentation, Control F. So this is updated. Okay, this should be updated. All right. So as you can see, we already downloaded the Laravel source and try to update its content, its welcome page. So you have now the basic idea how to install Laravel application. So guys, thank you for watching and let's continue on my next video